Creative Art Classes with John-Marc. Today's lesson, how to draw a cartoon Olaf. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to my series on teaching you how to draw a cartoon. Well, today's a special one because we're going to be doing Olaf, the little snowman in Frozen. Alright, so let's begin. The first thing that you'll notice is I created my action line, and through that now I built part of the head and the mid part of his little body and the base of him right now. This is pretty simple character, not much more than a big snowman that you probably have made many times. Alright, so I have his feet. Now I'm working on his little buttons on his little belly there. And again, this is just a quick sketch to lay out the foundation. There's his little hands, and now I'm going to be working more closer to his eyes. So let's begin with his first eyeball. What's unique with these eyeballs is on that top part of the eye, that's where more, like right here, right there, that's more of the little heavier than the rest of them. All right, let's get the other one done. The same thing. The center part, looking good. Let's get that a little heavier now. All right. Okay, let's work on his little carrot nose right now. I don't know about you, growing up in the New Jersey area, I made a lot of snowmans and carrots, and Oreo cookies I use for buttons and for eyeballs in the past. Alright, let's work on his big mouth and his little tooth there after. Quick action. And I'm currently working off of a model sheet that I pulled offline so I can see the exact positioning. Alright, now let's get the rest of his cheek there. A little darker now. And get the other side. After I complete this one, I'm going to keep the pencil lines and I'm going to fine tune them on another layer, and I'm going to take that layer into Photoshop and I will show you how I colored him in. Alright, let's shade in that little eyebrow there. Get the other one, let's get that one shaded in. Alright, that's looking good. Can't forget his funky hair that he has on there that sticks. That was clever to give him some more character on top. Alright, let's get all of those in there. Again, this is just a layout in the very beginning when I'm looking, and then I'll come back and I'll put a little bit more thought into the final drawing right before coloring. Alright, his fingers, that was well thought out. Like that 3 sticks and that one for the thumb. Kind of give it, still looking like a branch, but you still get it at the very end with the hand. Cute character. Alright, let's get the other hand up and running. There we go, same thing. The 5 fingers right there. Alright. Let's get the middle. I'm going a little bit darker now. And let's get the base of his body there. He's like, this is a nice action shot, like he's happy dancing. And let me just get those little charcoals. Shade them in. A little darker to contrast. So you'll notice that I shade in the his little buttons right now, and his eyes and his eyebrows. But when I'm going to take it to the next step for myself, I'm going to pencil that out. I'm not going to shade in the eyebrows, the his little buttons and his arms and his hair. I'm going to leave that clear so when I color it, you're not going to see the lines. But when you will see is that sketchy effect that I like. All right, I'm just coloring in for this purpose right now, for this lesson. Taking that really quick little speed lines again. Don't worry if you're not going in the lines. This is just a thumbnail sketch. All right, let's get the other side with his fingers. A little darker. There we go. Let's shade this one in. Okay. Well, if you're enjoying this video, make sure you check out all our other ones. We'll be doing a lot more characters from well-known movies like this one and other old-time classics like Frosty the Snowman will be another one we're going to be working on, and Rudolph, amongst other ones for the holiday season that we're in right now. And get a chance, make sure you stop by my website. That's jmg-studio.biz. I have a lot more stuff on there. Okay, let's finish a little detail more. Okay, he's looking pretty good right now. Checking around, shading that top part of his hair there, but let's see where else I can get a little bit darker. I think I'm just about there. Okay, a little more depth to that, a little harder line. Yep, I think I'm just about done. So as always, let's sign and date, and I really appreciate you watching this video, and have a good day. Check us out on Facebook, that's JMG Studio, and on our Instagram account, that's JMG Studio Cartoon. Oh, hey! I hope you enjoyed our video today, and make sure you hit the subscribe button, because then you can see all our old videos as well as the new ones that are coming up. Alright, thanks a lot. Take care.